Hello everyone! Today I'm going to reveal the horrifying truth about the world's largest fox processing factory in China, which is stirring up controversy and raising many doubts. Leave a 1 if you're sure you'll watch the entire video with me. Follow along with a staff member to see how they process fox meat. Every step in fox meat processing must adhere to specific procedures to ensure food safety. First, the fox is hung up, and a sharp knife is used to make an incision from the neck down to the belly, avoiding damage to the meat. Next, the fox's skin is peeled away from the legs, carefully pulling to avoid tearing. Once the fur is removed, the pinkish meat on the fox's body is gradually exposed. The staff will then proceed to remove the remaining outer layer of fat until achieving the desired meat portion. Did you know that it takes at least 50 foxes to make a single fur coat? Each fox fur coat goes through multiple meticulous stages. First, the fox fur is carefully inspected to ensure it meets standards for thickness and color consistency. Then, the skin is soaked in a chemical bath to soften and preserve its necessary flexibility. Next, the fox skin is put into the spinning machine, along with a little sawdust to help the drying process go faster. The rotator will remove excess moisture and make the skin softer and smoother. After tumbling, the fox skin is hung on racks to air dry naturally, ensuring durability and softness. Finally, the dried fox skin is intricately processed into high-quality fur fabric. These fabric pieces are then sent to a workshop where they're tailored into stylish, warm, and luxurious fox fur coats. Leave a 1 if you appreciate products made from fox fur. Opening the doors to farms that supply fox fur and meat for processing is an act of courage. The living conditions of foxes raised for fur and meat extraction are often far from ideal and can be quite harsh. These foxes are typically kept in small, cramped cages. The limited cage space restricts their freedom of movement. The lack of natural environment also contributes to a decline in their mental and physical well-being, as natural light plays a crucial role in regulating biological rhythms and overall health of animals. The practice of trapping foxes for the purpose of processing their fur and meat has had numerous negative effects on these animals. Foxes confined in cramped cages with insufficient space for free movement often exhibit signs of psychological distress. Therefore, the use of foxes in processing has been increasingly restricted to conserve their natural populations. Let's continue our tour of the factory with me as we move on to the wheat fields, which supply the raw materials for the bread processing factory. First, high-quality wheat varieties suitable for local climate conditions are carefully selected. The soil is meticulously prepared using organic fertilizers to provide necessary nutrients for the wheat plant's growth. Once the soil is ready, wheat seeds are sown at appropriate spacing and depth. The next steps in wheat plant care include regular watering, fertilizing to supply nutrients, and weed control to ensure optimal growing conditions. All these steps are carried out with careful attention to detail and strict quality control to ensure that the wheat plants achieve maximum productivity and produce high-quality wheat. Once the wheat plants have matured, the harvesting process begins. Modern machinery is typically used for swift and efficient wheat harvesting. After harvesting, the wheat is transported to processing plants where it undergoes several steps such as husking, threshing, and cleaning. During processing, the wheat is sent to production lines to be transformed into various wheat products, such as flour, wheat bran, or other processed foods. The entire process demands technical precision and special care to ensure the final products are of high quality and meet market demand. Leave a 0 if you find this process dull. The process of grinding wheat into flour is one of the most critical steps in transforming grains into various products. At the wheat processing plant, this is done using specialized equipment and precise procedures. First, the wheat is cleaned and dehusked before being fed into the milling machine. Here, the wheat is ground into flour through a precise grinding process involving specific pressure and speed settings. The milling machine must be adjusted to ensure the final product achieves the desired fineness and uniformity. After grinding, the flour undergoes several sieving steps to remove unwanted particles, resulting in a smooth and consistent final product. These sieving systems can be adjusted to achieve different levels of fineness, depending on the requirements of the end product. Finally, after milling and sieving, the flour is packaged or sent to other production lines to create food products such as bread. At the bread production plant, every step of the manufacturing process is meticulously executed with high-quality control to ensure the final product meets the highest standards. Firstly, essential ingredients such as flour, water, salt, and yeast are prepared and combined in precise proportions in large mixing tanks. Next, the dough undergoes kneading and fermentation to allow it to rise and develop its flavor. This process requires patience and skill to ensure even and proper dough rising. Once the dough has risen correctly, It is transferred to bread-making machines where it is shaped and sized according to specifications. Finally, the loaves are baked in industrial ovens to ensure they are evenly golden brown at the appropriate temperature and time. After baking, the bread is cooled and packaged to maintain quality and safety during transportation to retail outlets or supermarkets. The entire process demands accuracy, stringent quality control, and the expertise of the staff to ensure each loaf of bread meets standards for flavor and quality. The hot dog, a traditional dish combining bread and sausage, is beloved in many parts of the world. The hot dog bun is typically warmed on a grill or stove to achieve crispiness and warmth for the dish. Finally, the hot dog is finished by adding various toppings and condiments such as onions, butter, mustard, tomatoes, peppers, and pickles. The result is a delicious hot dog, full of flavor and satisfaction. If you're looking for a simple breakfast dish, let me suggest how to make French toast in just 2 minutes of preparation. To make this, you'll need slices of bread, eggs, milk, a pinch of salt, and sugar. First, beat the eggs in a large bowl, then add milk, a pinch of salt, and sugar, and mix the mixture evenly. Dip the bread slices into this egg milk mixture to soak both sides. Next, place the soaked bread slices in a hot skillet with a little oil or butter. Fry each side of the bread until they are golden brown and have a rich aroma of eggs and vanilla. French toast is typically enjoyed warm, drizzled with a little honey or syrup.
Pig farms play a crucial role in the food supply chain, where pigs are cared for and nurtured. These farms typically feature separate areas for pigs' development from piglets to adulthood. Pig pens are designed to ensure comfort and safety for the animals. They're provided with quality food and clean water to maintain optimal health. Caretakers regularly implement hygiene measures and conduct health checks on the pigs, preventing diseases and ensuring their proper growth. Eventually, the pigs are transported to processing facilities. Pig farms are vital in providing safe and high-quality food for consumers. At the processing plant, the sausage-making process is a complex endeavor carried out with meticulous care and control at every step. Firstly, upon arrival, the pigs undergo thorough health checks to ensure quality. Then, the pork is separated and sorted, discarding undesirable parts and keeping high-quality meat. The next stop for these pigs is the processing plant. They're transported from the farm to the processing plant with care, ensuring their safety and well-being along the way. Once the mixture is prepared, it's stuffed into casings and steamed to give the sausage its shape and structure. The sausages are then cooked or grilled at a consistent temperature to ensure even cooking and preserve the best flavor. Finally, after being fully cooked, the sausages are cooled and packaged in suitable packaging to preserve freshness and transported to retail or distribution points. This process ensures that each sausage meets standards of quality and safety. Now you understand the journey behind the sausages you enjoy daily. If you're loving this dish, drop a 1 in the comments below. In the chicken meat production lines, from slaughtering to sausage processing, every step demands absolute care and professionalism. At the chicken processing plant, the deboning process is carried out with the highest precision and efficiency. Once the chickens are slaughtered and cleaned, skilled workers and modern machinery take over to debone the meat. Chicken is separated from bones, skin, and excess fat, leaving only fresh, lean meat. Automated deboning technology not only ensures food safety but also minimizes waste, optimizing the use of raw materials. The lean meat is then prepped for further processing stages like grinding, seasoning, and transforming into a variety of products, such as chicken sausage, ensuring top-notch quality and exquisite flavor for consumers. The sausage product line is a darling of the market, and efficiently packaging them is a challenge for manufacturers. Sausage packaging machines are a remarkable achievement in the food industry. With a delicate blend of technology and innovation, these machines not only boost productivity, but also ensure the precision and uniformity of the final product. They're not just mechanical devices, they're symbols of convenience and efficiency in the production process. From automating packaging to ensuring food hygiene and safety, they bring significant benefits to manufacturers. Ultimately, sausage packaging machines are not just tools, they're reliable companions for food businesses on the journey toward success in the 4.0 Industrial Revolution. The process of making chicken sausage is a sophisticated and intricate journey, requiring precision and care at every step. After the chicken is meticulously deboned, the lean meat is either finely ground or chopped, depending on the recipe's requirements. Next, the meat is seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, chili, and distinctive herbs, creating a unique flavor profile for each batch of sausage. Seasoning not only enhances the taste, but also ensures food safety and quality. After seasoning, the meat and spice mixture is fed into a stuffer to form sausages with uniform shape and size. These sausages then go through a cooking process, steaming, smoking, or grilling, depending on the final product. This step not only cooks the sausages, but also imparts a distinctive aroma and retains the necessary moisture. Finally, the sausages are quickly cooled to prevent bacterial growth and maintain freshness. They are then carefully packaged in safe, convenient containers, ready for distribution to consumers, ensuring every chicken sausage meets the highest quality standards. Drop a 1 if you love chicken sausage. The farmer entrusted this hen with some eggs, and before you know it, little chicks will be hatching. It's a miracle you might not have explored yet. When talking about the chickens in the factory, we can't overlook their growth journey from eggs to fully grown chickens, bringing significant economic value to the global culinary scene. The chick stage, from 0 to 6 weeks old, is a crucial period to ensure the chicks grow healthy and quickly adapt to their new living environment. For the first 3 days, the temperature in the coop should be maintained at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius, gradually decreasing by 1 degree Celsius per day. Chicks need to be provided with nutrient-rich starter feed, with access to food freely available day and night, along with clean, fresh water. During the pullet stage, from 7 to 18 weeks old, the goal is to develop bone structure, muscle, and feathers for the chickens. The coop temperature should be maintained at 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Feed also transitions to a lower nutrient content type, but still ensures all necessary nutrients are provided. Next up is the process of cooking delicious dishes from chicken. This aromatic grilled chicken dish with its perfected flavor is sure to captivate anyone who tastes it. With simple ingredients like free-range chicken, lemongrass, ginger, honey, and rich spices, grilled chicken becomes irresistible and irresistible. After marinating thoroughly with spices, The chicken is grilled at the perfect temperature to achieve crispy skin and tender, sweet meat. The fragrance of lemongrass and ginger and the tantalizing aroma of honey while grilling leaves everyone impatiently waiting. This grilled chicken dish will be the centerpiece of any meal, delivering a fantastic culinary experience. With today's modern technology, large chicken farms have embraced advanced egg incubation methods using state-of-the-art incubation cages, achieving high productivity levels. The process of using a 64-egg capacity German incubation system truly astounds with its intricacy and attention to detail at every step. From carefully reading the user manual to preparing the perfect eggs, to setting up and monitoring the incubator, each stage demands precision and accuracy. Especially noteworthy is the support for hatching and caring for the chicks post-hatch, highlighting the complexity and wonder of modern technology. In addition to heading to the sausage factory, whole chickens packaged after their meat has made waves in the food industry. These chickens save time for families, and that's why they always trust and choose them. This sauce will elevate your grilled chicken dish. Simple and superb. Do these delicious dishes make your mood better? Indulging in delicious food not only pleases the taste buds, but also has a fantastic effect on improving mood. Every time I bite into a crispy, fragrant piece of grilled chicken or sip a steaming cup of hot milk, I feel like all worries and tensions melt away. The exquisite taste of the food stimulates the senses, making me feel uplifted and more at ease. Moreover, the process of preparing and cooking food is also an opportunity for me to unwind and enjoy moments of relaxation. Wine shops are a paradise for wine enthusiasts. Here, you can find an array of wines from around the globe, ranging from robust reds to elegant whites. These shops offer more than just wine. They provide a wealth of knowledge on selecting, storing, and enjoying wine. The staff are typically very knowledgeable and eager to offer advice, helping customers find the perfect bottle for any occasion. Visiting a wine shop is always an exciting and delightful experience. Thank you for watching. Your companionship is our joy and motivation to create engaging videos every day. If you enjoyed this video, leave a 1 in the comments section. Any mistakes you point out will help us improve the quality of each video. Now goodbye and see you in the next videos. Welcome to our channel, which is run by a pro team. First the channel manager, content writer, and finally the editor.